to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix, we have Marcia. And Marcia is calling out 13 and Arlene. And she has a lot to say to them. So go ahead over and go catch the video. Remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell. So when I post, you know about it. And for all my lovelies out there celebrating their wonderful birthdays, today, happy birthday. And I wish you prosperity, peace, love, and everything that's yours and that your heart desires this year. And for all my other lovelies, my supporters, my followers, my friends, whoever you may call me, have yourselves a beautiful, beautiful day. So go ahead now and go catch the video and hear what Marcia has to say. Have a great one now.
Una sound like una going through dementia, midlife crisis, and Alzheimer's. All of them together. Poorness, negroness, and everything else. Because I don't understand how is it that you and Jennifer can come out here all the time talking bullshit, broken record. Winter. Me and this woman become good acquaintances, even as a friend, let me call her that. Despite of the fact whatever is happening on social media, whether she want to talk about behind my back, that's her problem. But whatever she and I had in the past, me enjoy it. And I was grateful at the time when she invited me to go on the European trip. And I will never forget it. And despite of the fact that she may have some faults and ways, all of us have faults and ways. I mean, I want a friend from her because me have a friend. Because I will never accept her back in my life to be close to me. And yes, as she did reach out back to me to talk to me. And I was going to give her a chance. You who know come on social media go on like say this woman is a rich woman. And like she walk around and dash money for me or anybody else. I don't know about that. Me and her talk over the years. And we see each other maybe 3 or 4 times in many years. Just as how you and her talk on social media. And you never seen her. You never met her in your life. It don't make no sense to come out and bash her. Because Jesus make good and bad. And you must remember the kindness that she did for you. Whether she support you 1 or 2 times. She did send US dollar come and give to you. We reach a point in my life. Justice is justice. I mean, I can't cuss her. Because I was very grateful when she invited me to go on a trip with her. Because those are remember, I am a traveler. She met me traveling. Me I travel 3-4 times a year. So I like say me wasn't a traveler. And me look good. Me go everywhere where me need to go. So Ali never play any part in my life to give me something that I never been, because I've been to England several times. I used to go to England every year for my birthday and spend 1 month in Manchester. Me there all over London by myself. Down a Victoria Station, gone all over the place by myself. Go visit my families then. Birmingham, all over the place. Me's a traveler. I always want a dream to go to Paris. And I told her no. Our trip was to go to Amsterdam and England. She said we're going to go over Paris. The ticket was like $28 or something like that, or maybe $100. You people have to understand who Arlene is. Arlene sent me the information to buy the tickets then. And I told her that I couldn't, me don't know if I do it on the computer business. Because she's more experienced. Me offer her the money. She said she don't want it. You have to understand, 13, that I have given Arlene stuff in her life also. And I've done stuff for Arlene. And I'm not taking it back because I have friends in my life that will share things. Me have a friend of Florida, Odette. If she see one beautiful dress, she'll buy it for me. If she see one earring, she'll buy it for me. And them the friend that me keep. And if me see same thing, me I do the same thing too. I don't know what you people are talking about. Me not have to give back Arlene nothing. Because at the time, it was appreciated. And what I have given it to her also, me sure she appreciated it too. So you can't come out here, come turn 99 one of force to say if you send back money, come give me when I put her in a hotel for the first time in her life. in Jamaica. It's not going to work. The past is the past with me, 13, and Jennifer. It's not going to work. I don't care what voicemail. Everybody will fail in their life. I am not the only person in the world who met persons. And you have to understand, I met her on social media. She's the one that reached out to me on my birthday in Jamaica. At that time, she reached out to me on my birthday in Jamaica. Watching me on my birthday in Jamaica over Elsha. At the first time she reached out to me when I was keeping my birthday over Elsha. I'm going to leave this story right there. I'm not going to be ungrateful for her to come into my life. It's just that she don't know to keep her mouth. And if she feel like, say she a mental capacity where she feel like she want to chat, we all chat. And if she feel like she want to discuss me with Jennifer or whatever and say whatever, them talk. It's their condemnation and it's their guilt. But I'm not going to come out here and be ungrateful because, as I said before, I'm glad she introduced me to the trip. When she called me and tell me she buying a ticket for go Jamaica, me tell her, so me never wanted. Me and Marcia was on the phone. She literally begged me. So I say, me lose my money. Me say, me cannot go because I never want the same thing to happen in England. Me say, no, I'm in a position to go right now. Marcia was on the phone with me. Me say, me cannot go. She said, me buy a ticket already. Because go down there, go show off on them. You're stressed out. The people in my show up on social media, take the weekend and come. Winter love my company because guess what? I know how to articulate. I know how to have fun. And I know how to present myself in a good, decent manner. Because she's like them person. Does she like Facebook Mixup? Yes. Is she a kind-hearted person? Yes. But she must know if you do it from the heart. And don't be confused. And she do stuff for me in the sense of inviting me places, two places. England and Jamaica, but you have to understand, I paid my way also. So don't come up with foolishness, you and Jennifer. And I don't give a shit what voicemail I want to say. Nobody can shame me out there. Don't let me drop some bombshell out here. Jennifer, don't let me drop some bombshell out here, because you know you tell me all of your struggles. All of your man problem. We used to discuss all of your man problem. Me know how your man treat you and who you're not there with from who you're not there with. You can't come talk to me, Jennifer. You're nobody out here to talk about me. You're just a whole blood clot woman who is seeking attention. Jennifer, see if you go collect your pension and go live your life. Go and all I can say to you, go and collect your pension. Because you're depend on pension time and social security. You have full time to get your retirement. Facebook is not for you. Gully back brother is not for you. I'm only using you. Anytime you see a ring by your finger, I use it for come America to get paper. Me not ask you. Stop chasing a rainbow that you will never get. And stop being a fool. Me rather to frig 1 million man than to chase a man who don't want me. Let me repeat again. I rather to frig 1 million man than to chase a man who doesn't want me. Jennifer, try to be happy like me. All where I go on with my social media, you miss me Bombo blood clot company. You're dying inside. You miss my company. You miss my celebrity status to be around you. You're obsessed with me. Me nah blood clot telling a lie, people. If me and you were talking and your birthday party kept, you'd have me go sing and do all kind of something. Jennifer, I know you miss my friendship. And if you and I were speaking, I would have been at your birthday party and you'd have been the happiest slam in the world. So I know that you had a miserable birthday party because you couldn't even show your event. You go to Jamaica, you keep a birthday party, you couldn't show no highlight or nothing. Why? Jennifer, you will never keep a friend. Stay with your children them and get the blood clot off of social media before you get yourself in a trouble. Me no lick girl crutch. I may have a man. And if me a freak 10 different man is my front. So anybody who wants to me a freak, me have much man is my pussy because my pussy good. It's not yours. Worry about yours. Don't worry about mine. That's all. As long as me not a freak on a son or on a daddy, then you don't have one blood clot, bumble pussy blood clot to worry about.